Hello, and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, and I'm here to fuel your fire, to give you more knowledge, insights into this philosophy that will definitely, surely help you get back with the one you love. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is if your ex will actually tell you that they want you back. Will your ex just come out and say it? Or how will you know? And after having done this for so many years, I can assure you that in most cases, your ex won't directly tell you that they want you back. They'll show you telltale signs because perhaps they're insecure. Perhaps they don't want to come off and appear weak or vulnerable. And also perhaps because they want you to chase them and they want to make sure that they don't lose control, complete control over the power struggle. I was just coaching a young man in Florida who, after I believe it's about 5 weeks of not being in contact with his significant other, got a phone call from her. And she wasn't doing too well. She was sad, she felt a little bit alone, and she just wanted to hear from him. And because he had been doing the work, because we had worked together, because he had watched quite a few videos on Love Advice TV, he understood the mindset and he understood what was happening. And he was strong enough to end the conversation first on his terms and to go back to dinner. I believe that he was out at dinner with his brother at the time that she called. And she was in shock. She was in shock that he was doing well, that he was in complete control of the situation, and that he was able to end the call first. Did she tell him that she wanted to get back together? She did not. But through her actions, she did, because a few days later, when he reached out, asking her if she wanted to talk the next day, she asked if they could speak that day. And that was the second telltale sign, basically, where she was telling this client of mine that she wanted to get back together. So oftentimes, exes don't tell you through words that they want to get back together, but you'll be able to tell through their actions, the way they behave with you, and what they say about their lives in general. And you know this person quite well because you were in a relationship together. And you'll know when things have changed. They look at you differently. They show more interest. Perhaps they realize that they're not happier and things starts to shift. So this client of mine a few days later, after another phone call, decided that he was going to go visit this young lady in Los Angeles. And she had no objections. So before he even flew out there, I knew it was going to happen. They were going to get back together because she had told him through her actions that she was ready to do so. As long as this young man doesn't go out there and act insecure or completely blows it, as long as he stays true to the change that has occurred and to this new mindset that he has developed, he has won that part of his breakup recovery journey. And you can too. You can read in between the lines and basically know when your ex is ready to get back together. If you've done the work, if you're detached, if you're not letting your fears, your emotions, your anxieties, and your insecurities become veils that cloud your judgment, you can be in that place. You can succeed just like this gentleman did because I believe in you. You're tuned into the right channel. You're watching the right type of videos and you're gaining knowledge on how this process works. And the best investment that you can make is investing in yourself, investing in understanding the human psychology and what you need to do to make sure that you become your best self while also developing your emotional IQ. So if you have questions in that regard, if your ex has told you through words or actions that they want to get back together, share your knowledge with the rest of our community. Leave your thoughts and experiences, positive or negative, in the comment section below, and we can all learn from each other. As always, if you'd like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, you know that you can do so. Check the link below for private coaching. And either way, keep fighting the good fight, keep doing what you're doing, and good things will happen. As always, my friends, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video on Love Advice TV.